Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today, let's start with Java 9 features. In case you want to learn Java 8 features, then I will give the link in description and you can refer that. Well, there are 5 main features in Java 9 that we will talk today. Let's learn this one by one. First one is private interface methods. In Java 8, you must have seen within the interface, now static methods as well as default methods are allowed. But what will happen if a default method need to have a common code again and again? Do we need to write it? No. For the same reason, private interface methods have been introduced within Java 9. Let's learn this. Well, I have already written a code in order to save time. Like this is the interface in which you had an abstract method and then you declared the interface using anonymous class. You override the abstract method. This is the way to declare the interface using anonymous class. Then you call the default method directly. Now how to declare the private method? Syntax is similar, which you have seen earlier in Java versions, like private, then return type, then any name, then you can perform any operation like inside private method. And you already know the accessibility. S dot something will not be visible within anywhere outside the this class. Now you can call private method from anywhere inside the interface. So here from the default I will call private method. Exactly. Let's run this. Inside private method. Correct. Next feature is try with resource. Well, let's see this in intellij only. Try with resource. Previously, up to Java 6, when you used to write something within the file, you create the object of the file, then file name equal to new file output stream, then name of the file, then within the try you perform the operation, you close the file, and then you have the catch block. But within Java 7, new feature was introduced in which if you will write right after the try these lines, then you don't need to close it within the try or within the catch or within the finally. This was the improvement in Java 7. But there was one shortcoming here. If you have a variable which is declared outside the try block and you want to use its variable here, it used to give you exception. But in Java 9, a new improvement has been introduced over the improvement in Java 7. Like you can declare a variable outside the try block and you can use a variable name within the try block. Then also you do not need to write object.close manually. It will be done automatically. This was the another improvement in Java 9. Next, anonymous inner class improvement. This is related to the diamond operator. Like suppose you have an abstract class. Now how you used to declare it? Like an interface. Like this is of generic type. Now you used to have the class object equal to new class name, then the type you will mention here, and then you declare it using anonymous. Here this was mandatory. The type need to give here to the left as well as to the right. But now In Java 9, there is an improvement. Like you do not need to give type here. You can leave it as blank and then there will be no compilation error as well. This is new improvement in Java 9. Next, safe where arguments. Well, you must have seen in Java 5, there was a feature in which you could call any function irrespective of number of parameters. Like if you have a one parameter, then you used to write string, then product. But if you want any number of parameters that can come within the function, then you used to have three dots here. Like now I have created a function which is of where argument type. It means it can accept n number of parameters. Like here I can have p dot display product 1, product 2, product 3, n number of products I can have, and it will call the function. But there was a shortcoming in Java 5. It always used to give warning at compile time. Although it used to run successfully, but there was a warning like the safe argument compatibility is not checked here. Now in Java 9, you can remove this warning by using the annotation. You can have annotation safe where arguments. By this, the warning will be removed. This is Java 9 improvement. Next, factory method within the Java 9. So this is also one of the important improvement. Up to Java 8, how you used to declare the list with n number of adds that you want to do. You used to declare with interface list, then equal to new array list, list.add, 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 list.add. A lot of manual work is there, correct? Now an improvement have been made in Java 9 in which you do not need to write list.add again and again. What you can do is object equal to list.of, and then you can write everything within one line like Java J1, J2, J3. Now this and this is exactly same. If you want to print list2, let's have a for each loop here. Let's run this. See here. So this was the improvement. Even you can have a set here like set.off. Even you can have a map here. Map takes the entry map.off. Map is of key value type, so key is integer. Here you will have key, then a value, comma key, then a value, comma key, then a value. Here you will have map.entry, integer and string, and then l dot get key one by one. So you do not need to do this manual work again and again. This is the improvement in Java 9 exactly. Well, I hope you liked the session. Do like and subscribe for more updates. And in case you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section and I will clarify that. Thank you, friends.